Hey YouTube friends, and this is Fulmar again, Filipino Forex Trader. And right now, it's Thursday, June 17, 2021. And we have this outstanding negative of $4.82. We have our biggest position that is 0.02 cents in standard lot size is now in profit of more than $1, while the other two positions are in negative. You can see that one, it's 15-minute time frame. I did a sell right here because this one looks like to test again at 1800s, and at the moment the market is 1820. And this is my account, YouTube friends, that I deposited with $6, and my balance now is 211. From $6 turned to $211 now, and this is our fourth day 4 of our trading. We started last Monday and now is Thursday. So I'll attach the link of my Trading Explorer under the name Ministry in at Forex Factory, so that you can further confirm about this account. It's real, my friend. It's real. That's real. And I targeted my TP right here at 1800s as the market dropped early this morning, but I already took all my sell entries. I have my sell entries right here last 1 o'clock here in Thailand, and I took all my sell entries right here. I was like doubting that the gold might have a like corrections back in here, only to find it out when I woke up that it continued to drop. But anyway, I have to avoid that FOMO, fear of missing out. I am okay with my profit right here. I will find another opportunity. Still have today and tomorrow, Friday, and then next week. Opportunities are all right there in the market, but you have to make it sure that it is in your favor. And with regards to my $20 deposit with a 3-year compounding plan, and my other $100 deposit with a 2-year compounding plan, I'll have to stop it for a while. Let me think. Let me have some time to think about it if I will continue that one next month. I'm not really sure. We'll see. I'll just have to enjoy my time and focus on this account with $6 investment, and now it's 211. So I'll try to focus on this one before continuing those other two projects, because I cannot really make it if I'll do it at the same time, like 2 or 3 accounts more. Plus I'm having gardening. I'm gardening outside. I film to both of my channels, my organic gardening with Filmar channel and my Forex channel, plus other work here in the house, so I cannot make it, and the surroundings are still messy. I need a lot of time to focus in there to clean and to replant again, because the pandemic is still going on, and I'll have to plant more vegetables and fruits within the backyard, as the new owner is giving us another 5 year new contract. So that means we can last for another 5 years here. And who knows? The new owner will give us another contract after 5 years is finished. So I have to do a lot of things besides trading. So that is why I need to manage my time. And of course, I'm not trading blindly this time. I'll have to do some deep research on the fundamentals, as institutional traders are doing that. And they're only trying to make confirmation or to check on the reversals and possible corrections in the technical charts within the MT4 screen. But looking at the long-term movement of the markets, they go into fundamentals. They have to see on the news, on the economic projections to that particular pair they are trading with. So it's really important. So I'll try to have that kind of attitude as an institutional trader with a $6 investment. Sounds crazy. It's really crazy, but we'll try to grow this account. I'll be back later. And lately, we're at $2 now. Is around 50 cents. So the market is still trying to do some corrections here. But this 1 hour time frame with bearish engulfing pattern confirmation right here, I'm certain enough that this market within this 2 or 3 hours next, then this market is going to go back again and test the area of 1800s. And once it happened, then I'll get out again of the market, because this goal will try to make more upside this week. But remember, most likely it will all be false reversals. As you can see, the daily time frame is very bearish, much more with the weekly candle. What about the 4 hour candle? Still looks bearish. So this is 1 hour time frame, and we'll see some movement later. So we're back, YouTube friends, and lately this was negative, and now it's turning to $2 profit, but still we have another two that are negative. So it's a 1 hour time frame. Looks like this will not move deeper at the moment, as this market will try to get back at 1824. So with that, I'm going to decide to exit this to lot size position that is in profit. So I have to exit this one. We'll wait when this will hit at $3, and then we're good to go, leaving the other two positions that it might have some realized profit later of today, as I have to do a lot of things outside, do gardening and editing videos, so I cannot monitor the flow of this market. So I'll have to exit this biggest lot size here, that is 2 cents, because it will be a devastating scenario when this market will spikes up, and with that 2 lot size 2 cents lot size. That will be $2 in every 10 pips. So it can cost a lot to our equity. And I don't want to happen it again and again, as I am in the wrong side for several and countless of times in a span of 6 years. So with the $6.19 investment, I will try to grow this one, reaching 4 or 5 figures. That would be a great achievement to me already. So we're close to $3. We'll see about the 5-minute chart. Looks like this is going to go deeper a little bit. We'll wait a little more. Exactly $3. It's almost, yes, that's it. But it's moving. We'll wait last 1 minute for the next candle, for the 5-minute time frame. So this time, 5-minute time frame. We're going to close this down once it hit to $3. But the gold is really stubborn, trying to pull the dollar up back to 1823, 1824. Yeah. We're out. So we still have a negative of $5. So I'll get back to you later. I have to feed the chicken and replanting outside, and probably do some filming as well to my gardening channel. So I'll get back in here once these remaining 2 floating positions will be in a profit sign. Now it's still negative. YouTube friends, we have another sale at 1811. We have a balance of $221 now, 221 from 211, and looks like the dollar is taking over the gold, and I think this dollar will continue to pull down the gold, maybe at 750, where my TP at 744. But I guess the market will have its pullback around back at 1820. I know the gold will not give an easy war against the dollar. So with that, this 15-minute chart, now from $4 we're in negative 30 cents. So we have to consider closing this down first, and we'll have another sell later on once we'll see some exhaustive candles on top. So now the 15-minute chart just changed to another candle. So we'll see if this will go back below 1812, or maybe at 1808 or 1800s, and then we will close it down. Now we're close to $4 negative. close to $5 negative. It's a 3-cent standard lot size position. If this if this pullback can even reach to 1820, that will be negative $30, so I can still hold on that, or maybe in the middle around $15. I need to close it down. So we'll be back at $200 if that's the case. Looks like the market is trying to make a pullback. We'll be in 1815. So it will be around $13 negative. And we added another position of 2 cents. Our equity is around $213. We're negative of around $8. I decreased my leverage from 1:200 down to 1:100. I could not wait until $500 equity. $200 1:200 leverage is really having a huge risk, and you still tend to overtrade. Last 5 seconds for another candle to form in the 5-minute chart, and we will see where this market is heading temporarily, because the big picture of this, it is still a bearish. So the bearish, the sellers are taking over the market for gold and gold against dollar. The sellers are taking over. The psychological area for the bullish to take in will be at 1866 right here, and at the moment we're here, so it's still the bearish. The sellers are taking over the market, and this direction must continue until Friday or even Monday next week. So I will hold on this. We're at $10, $12 negative. So friends, dear fellow traders, it looks like a messy trade. I've added more risk. Now we're trading at 7 cents, 3 positions. And I don't know how this gonna be work out, if it work or not. I'm still holding as the 1 hour time frame. I'm pretty sure that the market is going to get back at this bottom right here in the previous hour. So I'll have to be in front of the screen to monitor this one. My schedule for gardening outside is cancelled. This is not supposed to be. I'm supposed to trade this evening, but I was persuaded by the movement of the market. So you should not do that one with your friends. That's why I have to sit down here in front of the screen to monitor on the movement. I don't want also to put stop loss because the market will be hunting it down. So I'll be trading on my own terms. So I'm sure the market will get back right here at 1809. The previous hour, the market was able to reach this dip, and there's a weak candle, there's a shadow here, and that could be the thing that this market is moving now, going back that area. And if there will be denial, then it will bounce back up, and sure enough that we can get all our sell positions out of the market before it can spike or make some pullback or corrections back at 1820. So that is why we have to closely monitor this one, and it's a nerve-wracking. So be sure that you should not attach yourself to your trades, as it is the dangerous thing. It is a fatal choice if you're doing that. So just do control your emotions, as it can lead to nothing but devastation of your account. Time check, it's 2 o'clock and 7 in the afternoon. La, la, la. I think the first position is going to hit $4. Yeah. And keep moving down, keep moving down. We'll get out here. Bit by bit. If in case that this market will have a sharp pullback at 820, then we can minimize our loss, and at the same time we can get some initial profits, and we will do another sale later on. So the dollar is still testing the area of 1810. The market price stuck at 1812, but this early morning after the FOMC projections was released by the Fed, the market sharply hit 1805 and tried to pull back at 1824. It's like around 150 pips, and then falling back right now at 1812. Hopefully we can see more movement from the downside. Still in negative. Actually, that negative $5 was a profit of $4 lately. Now it's a negative, but anyway, we just have to wait. So again, I would like to remind you that this is a real account, YouTube friends. I'm trading on XM, and the original deposit is $6. Now our balance is 225. You can check on the link that I'm going to attach at the description box. my trading explorer at forexfactory.com in the name of ministry, and you can see the profile name of this account, the waging war of the six soldiers. I mean the $6. I treated them as the six soldiers. The waging war. The waging war of the six soldiers. I'll just put some stupid name here. I was crushed by the market with a couple of hundred of dollars early this month, and so that is why I don't have any seriousness with this account with $6 deposit, but I did not aim to achieve this far with $200 equity from $6 deposit in 4 days trading. But anyway, here we are. So I continue the winning streak to keep popping in here. I hold this for I will take this last. So what time is it? It's 2:11 in the afternoon, so I still have time to film and vlog in my garden outside. So I'll just have to wait this one. I don't care if even if the market would continue to push down here. I have to get out because it's a messy trade. It's a big lot size. I was overwhelmed. I was driven by my emotions. So instead of placing 1 cent out of stupidity and foolishness, I put 3 cents. So that's triple the risk that I supposed to apply in this account. So that is why I have to sacrifice my other time for other steps in here and have to wait to close this down once this will be in profit. Now still negative $3, but we're going down a little bit. So yeah, trading forex is not easy, my friends. It takes serious experience and time to do the research. Do not trade by based on your emotions, and do not go against trend. And if you're not really sure with your projection, do not trade, because remember, it is the institutional, it is the big boys who have millions, who have billions in their pocket, who are making the move of the markets. They're the one moving the markets, and we, the retail traders, who are having $100, $50, $1,000, $1,000,000, $500, $100,000. We are the retail traders who are just following the movement. But it is the big boys in the market who are making the move to move the market, and we are serving as the liquidity providers. So if we are not really careful enough, then in no time all our accounts get wiped out by these market players. So we need to remember that. That is why even I started with $6 to this, but now it's getting serious. The business is getting serious, and I will not leave the screen with a floating position that is a negative. I've got to close it down as much as possible. As I mentioned to you lately, there's here a wick or a shadow, so the market has to come back and check and retest that one again. And once it get hit and the market cannot breach that area, then there will be a sudden pullback correction going up here. But if not, then this will continue to go down and down and down. And if you are into sell, then you're making a lot of money. Depends on the lot size, the size of your account as well. Because if you trade bigger lot size with small equity, then you are prone to the exposure of the market and you can be wiped out anytime. So see that one? We're in good shape and I'm about to close this down. You might be asking, have I waited with the other two positions that I closed earlier? I will be making a lot of money. I don't care. I'm satisfied with small profits as long as I am inconsistent of making this. $4 now, $3 tomorrow, $7 next week. It's fine. Now the market is retesting, as I mentioned to you, and it looks like there's a denial there. Of course, the gold will not give an easy submission to the dollar. So the dollar has to push another try. We'll see how long this war is gonna end. But I have to end my position in profit. Yeah. So the dollar is going to push it down a little bit deeper. I'm about to press the button to close this down. The gold won't submit easily, but I think the dollar will not stop pushing or pulling it down back to 1800s. If I have the confidence to really wait that area at 1800s, this will be a $30 profit. But I don't like seeing my account will be negative later on, so I'll have to close this down. We'll wait like $4 or $5 profit, then we'll get out. And it's 2 o'clock and 18, so 18 minutes past 2 this afternoon. Now we need another $2 to close this down. The time is moving. So $4, another dollar we need. Another dollar we need, man. We're going back there, so I told you. Just need $5. And our balance now is $234 from $6 deposit. So I will end this early for today. Day 4, Thursday, June 17, 2021. We started last Monday, June 13, with $6 in our account. Right now we have a standing balance, an equity of $234.83. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I want to see you all in the next episode. See ya.